Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed time sync not working on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Date and Time, turn off and turn on, set the time automatically. Set the correct time zone. Click Sync now. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Time, restart the service. Click Start, Settings, click Time and Language, click Date and Time, click Sync now. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Time and Language, click Date and Time. Click Additional Clocks, click Internet Time tab. Click Change Settings, change another server, click Update now. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, W32 time. Type 32 TM space, /unregister. Type W32 TM space, /register. Type net space, start space, W32 time. Type W32 TM space, /resync. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.